This way is towards the meditation hall. It's a very big place. So we go from this way. We can sit outside as well. This is the canteen. There are multiple food options. There are bakery items as well. And this is my cheese and corn sandwich. I'm just at the gazebo. And there's the chaat corner, there's the dosa counter, and above this there's the Italian ristorante. It's such a peaceful place. I might sit somewhere and meditate for a while. But I was thinking to go to Babuji's statue. This is where I'm going to meditate. This is a book from my friend. She wanted me to read this. As you can see, the people, they all are meditating. And we need to make silence there. See a lot of people right now. And these are the, I don't know what we call this. It just has everywhere, it's everywhere there. I want to read all this, maybe other day. And they're everywhere, they're meditation hall. We have to keep silence for this. That's Heartfulness. And this is the meditation hall. A perfect place to be. I see the dogs there. And there are a lot of dogs. And now we go to the canteen. There's a little pond there with a little boy. So we are going to the Yatra Garden and Anais is taking me. How are you, Anais?
I'm very good. I just had sitting.
So we are in the Yatra Garden. This is the Yatra Garden.
Amazing sound. You can go and sing inside.
Really?
Yeah.
Why don't you go and sing? You sing well, actually.
I should also shoot you so that you're on the videos.
So this is also a place to meditate.
In the book of Daji, it's really well explained. So in this garden, you will have the 13 points,
Okay.
which are represented by some different colors. For example, the first point yellow. Second point, second one will be red.
Okay.
Third one will be white. And so they have planted some different plants just according to the colors of the different points.
Ah, amazing.
Yeah.
This is the second note. So this is the point 3. We came from point 2. So this is This is the 4th knot.
This is the black color chakra.
And this is the 4th knot. So while you're leaving, I'm thinking just we can, spend some time like this. And this is the 5th knot. And this is our Lord Durga Mata. And this is the 5th knot. You guys can pause and read all the knots if you want. And this is Durga Ma. What's this statue for? Let's see. Hi. Look at her eyes. She is so cute. Good morning, and it's a new day with some puri sabzi and chole bhature. Yeah, I know it's too much of oil, but today I felt like eating this. So yeah, I'm still in Kanha, and yeah, this is the morning. The brother is watering the plants, and this is the way to my studio. So we are in Hyderabad, and we're going to try local breakfast today. Auto भी मिलता ही होगा।
मिलता होगा। रोड पे मिलता है। क्या एक्चुअली सामने ही इधर मिलता है। कहाँ से हो आप?
मैं तो दिल्ली,
दिल्ली।
लेकिन वो असल में नेपाल से। ये भाई ताइवान से है। तुम कहाँ से हो?
मैं असम से हूँ।
असम। Thank you. Thank you, brother. Before that, we need sugarcane juice. And this is Shin, and this is Bhaiya. Wait for some time, but
On the other side.
Alright, so the bike is ready and even Shin is ready. So where do we go now?
Goa.
We go Goa. We are going to Goa. Going back to Goa. Alright, so we stopped by here to have some food. And this is the restaurant. They are the owners. Bye bye. Alright. I'm in Yatra Garden, and this is the Karnataka border, and behind me there is the hills, and there's a message for every one of you. Whenever you guys come here, enjoy whatever, do whatever you want, but at least take your garbages back. You know, such a beautiful place, and everywhere it's trash. Look at it, the cloud looks beautiful.